Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to back up WordPress website. So just let's start. So first of all, open up your WordPress dashboard. After opening up your WordPress dashboard, go into plugins, and after going into plugins, search your Updraft, search it, and after searching it, click on the first plugin and just activate it, and after activating it there will be this type of interface written as backup now. You guys have to click up on the backup now option, and after clicking on that it will start backing up your website automatically. It's a good feature for saving up your website from DDoSers, so you guys must back up your website time to time. So it's easy, and that's how you guys can easily back up your WordPress website. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.